Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you the easiest, professional, and best way to draft a basic sleeve. This is the method I have been using and it fits very well. Let's get started. I folded my paper into two. If you're using fabric, fold your fabric into two. To start, draw an horizontal line. That will be the head of the sleeve. From there, I will go ahead and place my sleeve length. I'm making long sleeve because from it I can do short sleeve or whatever length I want. I will go ahead and place my sleeve length, which is 21 inches. Draw an horizontal line. Next is to place the cap sleeve. The cap sleeve is very important because if the right measurement is not done, the person will not be able to raise their hand up freely. I normally measure my cap sleeve. However, if you're not sure of the cap sleeve for your client, 5 inches is the standard cap sleeve and it will fit very well. I will show you how I measured my cap sleeve. So from the end of the shoulder to the end of your bicep, which is like the vertical measurement of the bicep, that is your cap sleeve. Mine is 5.75, so I'll place 5.75 from the origin or head of the sleeve. That will form my bicep line because it's on this line that I will place my bicep measurement. The bicep I'm working with is 13 inches. Divide by 2, 6.5. Place your bicep measurement. After that, draw a slant line connecting the bicep line to the origin. Look for the midpoint of the slant line. From that midpoint, go half an inch upward. Connect the point. From that point, draw a straight line connecting to the bicep line, like I'm doing. Next, use your curve and curve it to the origin, the end of this point. Also add another curve, but this time is directly to the midpoint. And then go ahead and curve from the midpoint to the bicep line, like so. This will be the back and this will be the front. Next, I will go ahead to place my wrist measurement. My measurement is 7 inches. 7 divided by 2, that will be 3.5. So I will place that on this line. From that point, I will connect it to the point on the bicep line. So now I have done the sleeve, but I will go ahead and add 1 inch seam allowance. You can add half an inch, 1.5, depending on what you want. Then I'll connect. I'll also add it at the end of the sleeve. At this end, you can add as much as you want. That's it. I'll go ahead and cut it out. I will cut the back first. And now I will cut the front. So this is the front and back. That is it for the basic sleeve. Very easy and professional. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and share.